how to disable reveal section on scroll. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so for Shopify Dawn theme. Now I believe most other themes are going to be exactly the same way, but if not, then you may need to check for that specific theme of yours. But generally speaking, what we are going to refer to is this. So if you can see, we have this section loaded in, and if we scroll down, it's actually going to show this animation on scroll as it actually reveals the section. Now we want to remove this and have it available at all times, so there's no animation to it, and it's just going to be there for us. So to do so, it's very simple. You just want to go ahead and open up your Shopify store, go to online store, go to themes, and then just go to your Dawn theme or the theme that you wanted to use. Hopefully it's going to have the same settings, and just click on customize. This is not going to require any code, thankfully, so it's going to be very, very easy. So let's demonstrate it one more time. You can see here, we can just scroll down. I did already scroll down. Let me just scroll down, and you can see it reveals as we scroll down. So we want it to look like this at all times. In this case, what we need to do is just go ahead and once you open up your customization tab, just go to the settings bar on the left panel, which is the theme settings. Click on it, and then you should find the animations tab. So once you find animations, click on that. And then the only option here that we have is reveal sections on scroll. And then we have the hover effect. So if we click on none, it's not going to have anything now. So we can just go and scroll down, and it's not going to have an effect. But what we actually want to do here is just click on reveal sections on scroll and remove that. Now, if you just click on save and go back home, let's just go back to the home page and load it in. It's just going to be loaded here for us, as you can see, without having to do the animation. Now this is going to work for all the pages that you have, so you don't have to worry to change it for each and every single page. Now if you want to get it back again, you can just turn this back on, and now you can see it's back in. Now the hover effect is going to be a little different, so you can actually see the different hover effect when you actually hover over an item here. So you can see here 3D lift, vertical lift is going to just raise it up a little bit, and then none is just going to have any it's not going to have any effect, as you can see. But yeah, this is pretty much all for this video. Just click on reveal sections on scroll, and once it actually reloads, you can see everything is going to be available at once without having to go through the animation. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.